Good morning, students. Welcome once again. Now we are going to continue the natural vegetation and wildlife. Here you have to be seen some of the places in India like Kukti and Govind Sagar, Mount Abu, Narayan Sarovar, Ranipur, Kaimur, Sri Salim. These are the areas where the some of the national park are made to conserve the wildlife. India wildlife and the centuries. Forests are important part of environmental ecosystem. They regulate the weather and climate. Trees supply oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide from the air. They help in increasing the rainfall, reduce the speed of wind over land. Tribals in forest depend on them for their survival. We have been destroying forest through careless burning, cutting of trees. It means deforestation. Human need and for their importance they cut the trees as well as overgrazing. These are the important fact how the plants are exploited. We must understand forests are essential and survival of animals and human beings. Humans and animals both are directly dependable on the forest. Conservation, forest and wildlife. It is true, we need to conserve the forest and wildlife also. We are responsible for the deforestation. Wildlife is an important component of our environment, without which many human activities are not possible. India has a large variety of wildlife due to a great diversity of or relief features and climate. There are about 75,000 species of animals in India. Such example, the elephant is the largest Indian mammal which prefer to live in the wet equatorial forest. It is mostly found in Assam, Kerala and Karnataka. The Indian elephant has smaller ears as compared to the African elephant. Camels are found mostly in the hot region like Rajasthan. Wild asses roam in dry areas as the run of Kutch. It means run of Kutch means Gujarat. The one-horned rhinoceros live in the swampy marshland in Assam area and West Bengal. Many varieties of deers, out of which Kashmir stag, swamp deer, spotted deer, masked deer and mouse deer are in India. Why? Because different of the physiography of India. Here you have to be seen, these are the Bengal tigers, Royal Bengal tigers and elephants mostly found in Kerala and the Tamil Nadu. Other wild animals include the nilgai, four-horned antelope, black buck, Indian antelope and the gazelle. Among the animals of prey and Indian's lion is most remarkable. The tiger, the national animal of India, it is also the Bengal tiger. They are found in the Sundarbans. Leopards, snow leopards in the Himalayas mountains. Wild sheep, mountain goats, ibex and tapirs, they are found at the lower altitude. It means I show you how the different physiography in India with the different features like in plains area different type of animals are found. In the mountains area, different type of animals are found. The Indian forests are home to a large variety of monkeys. In the plains area, you have to be seen the number of the monkeys are there and langurs are there. Ducks, parakeets, pigeons, hornbills, sunbirds, many of the natural habitats in the swamps and the wetlands. Wildlife conservation. A large number of national parks and wild sanctuaries have been set up in India. Biosphere reserves are being established which are multi-purpose protect areas. Efforts are being made to preserve endangered species. Numerous campaigns such as Project Tiger, Project Rhinoceros have been launched. Hunting and poaching of wild animals have been banned. Zoological parks are made now. 83 national parks and 447 wild sanctuaries in India. They cover about 5% of the total area. It means we need to conserve the wild animals and forest also because they are the part of our environment and the ecosystem. Humans are responsible for the damaging of the ecosystem because deforestation it is the main reason. We need to protect the forest. We need to protect the wildlife animals.